Hello and welcome to Someka quick tutorial video. In this video, we're going to create an org chart in PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a great tool to make organizational charts. So we'll go through how to make an org chart in PowerPoint, how to add new boxes, and how to insert an Excel org chart in PowerPoint, and how to edit the charts. Creating an org chart in PowerPoint can be a quick and uncomplicated procedure. Open the PowerPoint app and add a new slide. Then click on Insert and choose Smart Art. And choose the hierarchy category. Then we could choose the organization chart or picture organization chart. And click OK. Now we can start entering the employee names and positions in each box. We can easily add shapes by clicking the Add Shape button located on the ribbon, like this. Once you add all the members in your organization, you can change the design for a more refined look. You can change the colors of the chart from the Change Colors option, and you can also change the style from the Smart Art Style section. That's one way to create an org chart in PowerPoint from scratch, but there's another way. Alternatively, we can create an org chart with an Excel template. Then we can insert the chart to PowerPoint. So I'm going to use Someka's org chart generator template for this. So this is the org chart generator, and it's really easy to create professional looking org chart from scratch. All you have to do is to list all the members of your organization, including their name, role, and indicate who they report to. Then we can click on Create Org Chart button here. So let's give an example. Sub-layout column defines how will the sub-employers will be placed in the chart. Once you list all the members of your organization, you can click on Create Org Chart button to create the chart. Now we have our org chart, and we can export this chart to PowerPoint, and it's really easy to do. Just choose the chart, right-click and copy. Let's go back to our PowerPoint. Now we can paste the chart into PowerPoint slide. Like this. Let's say you don't want to see each employee's photos. You can easily hide the photos from the template. Go back to our org chart template. Let's go back to menu, and we can choose the chart type from the drop-down list and choose no photo. Let's create it again. Once you export the chart to PowerPoint, you can easily edit them. Just click on the box you want to edit, then you can retype. Like this. Go to someka.net to download our org chart generator. Thanks for watching.